a king snake.
Yeah, it is. Looks like one.
What is it?
Oh!
A king snake.
Will it bite you?
Yes. He's not poisonous. I don't want anything to do with that, dude. Don't chase me with it. Don't throw it at me. Don't do nothing.
Make a bite and go sell.
Josh, Zach, go touch him. Dude, that dog will freak out. Take it up front and let Josh pet him.
Dad, can I get back on the dirt bike?
Yes, you can try again. I don't. I'm good.